Hi, I'm Andrew Burrow with Austin Infinity, and today I'm here to talk about how to replace the battery in your key fob. The number one easiest way is actually just to come to the dealership because we'll replace your battery for free. However, if you want to change the key yourself, it's pretty simple. You flip the key over, hit the release of your valet key. You can insert it into the hole that it originally came out of, kind of do a twist here or there. Pop open the casing. If you happen to have a handy little magnet, you can use that to get the battery out. Otherwise, you can just turn the key over, kind of pop it on the desk, and you've replaced it. Infinitis use two different battery sizes, 2025 and 2032, so please remember when you are replacing the battery to replace it with the matching battery. And that's how you replace the battery in your key fob. For more helpful tips and tricks, please visit austininfinity.com.